Nobody told me that t-shirts was going to be the thing that actually held my Etsy shop back. I spent months grinding away at selling apparel and wondering why nothing was really clicking as I expected it to. And then I made one pivot in my Etsy shop and everything changed. If you are selling t-shirts on Etsy and feeling a bit stuck, then today's episode is for you. Hi, my name is Emily. Welcome back to this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings, where I am sharing with you my favorite tips, trends, and tools every single week to help you grow and scale your own Etsy print-on-demand shop. I am a mom of two and a former 9-to-5er who built my Etsy shop in the margins of my life and somehow scaled it to this place where now it is my full-time job. Today's episode is going to be a little bit about my story, but also the big strategy change that I implemented in my shop and my students are implementing in their shops to see steady sales. So basically, here's where my story started. It was January 2023, and I was desperate to find a side hustle that really worked for my life with my family, my kids, my job. And I stumbled across a YouTube video about print on demand, like many of us do. And I thought it really hit all the check boxes that I was looking for. It was pretty much hands off, no inventory. It was low upfront cost. I could do everything from my laptop. And I love the idea of designing products that people all over the world could buy. So, like most people who start out with print on demand, I started with t-shirts because that is what most of us are really taught to do and what most of the content out there about print on demand is about. And my very first sale was a t-shirt, and I honestly could not believe my eyes. I was at a gymnastics birthday party with my daughter. They were eating cake, and I remember my phone buzzing. I pulled it out, and there was an Etsy Cha-Ching notification. And at first, I thought it must have been a fluke or something wrong. I had to do a double and triple take. And I realized that someone literally across the country had purchased this t-shirt that I designed, but I wouldn't have to print or package or ship it myself. And that was truly the proof that I needed that print on demand can work and would work for me. But here's where the problem came in. I was so excited about those first wins, and I knew that there was so much potential here. But I felt like I just couldn't get the momentum and the traction that I was looking for. Until one day when I was really digging into research and figuring out where shops were making sales and having success, I decided to list a super simple product, a different product type than I had listed before in my Etsy shop. And I could not believe my eyes. I sold that product that same night. And that was truly the light bulb aha moment that maybe this was the direction I really needed to start focusing on. So here is what I figured out that night, that people are coming to Etsy to buy gifts for their loved ones. And that product that I listed that day was a giftable product. And I'm going to share what that product type was at the end of the video, but it was a product that somebody was going to give as a gift. And when I tell you it could not have been a more simple design, I am not joking. It was so simple. I was literally just kind of throwing it out there and it sold that same day. And that was some validation that these gift products on Etsy were a key to making major sales. And there are a few things that I figured out really quickly about these giftable products and that I am teaching my students in the Gift Lab community as well. Number one, giftable products have less headaches. There's no sizing issues. When you are selling apparel like t-shirts and sweatshirts, there are so many issues with this item is too big, or the print isn't exactly what I want, or I don't like the texture of the t-shirt. And with giftable products, you have less variations and less issues when it comes to sizing and dealing with any of those customer headaches or returns. The second thing that I love about giftable products is honestly, there's less competition. Now, of course, there's competition everywhere, but when it comes to giftable products, many people, as I mentioned before, start with t-shirts because that's kind of what we're taught. So thinking about these different gift products is what is going to help you stand out. And by standing out, it's going to give you as a newer seller or a newer shop the opportunity to be found by Etsy buyers. The third thing that I love about giftable products is that you can do very simple designs. Many of these products will be text-based designs. They're going to connect with customers with words and less so with trendy graphics. And so if you're anything like me, I wasn't super up to date on the trends. I didn't have any graphic design experience. And so being able to do a simple design was key. And the last one is a big reason why you should be focusing on gifts in your Etsy shop. And that's because Etsy themselves is pushing the platform as a gift website. They want customers coming to Etsy to find unique and meaningful gifts that you can't find just down the road at a chain store. Etsy is putting out commercials talking about how they are the go-to place for special gifts. And so as sellers, if we can lean into that, that is only going to help our shops and be able to provide these unique and meaningful gifts for customers. Etsy buyers are coming to the platform ready to spend. They are looking for these products that they can give to their loved ones. And if you can provide those special, meaningful opportunities for them, it's a win-win. Now, which three products would I recommend potentially starting with in your Etsy shop? So I actually recently asked my members of the Gift Lab community if they could start over, what product would they sell? And there were several clear winners. The first one are the hardcover matte journals from Printify, sold by District Photo. And if you've been here for a little bit or watched any of my other videos, you know I love this product. These designs can be super simple. They make for an incredible gift. They're lightweight, easy to ship, not breakable, and you can sell them for all different customers in all different niches. The second product are the Lumiant Soy candles sold through Printify. I love these candles, and as I mentioned earlier, I was going to share with you what product it was that sold that very same day, and it was this product. Candles are an incredible place to start in your Etsy shop. Candles are easy to design. People love to give them as gifts, and they are at an accessible price point for Etsy buyers. And product number 3 might surprise you a little bit, but it is the ceramic matte ornament from Swift POD. And you might be thinking ornaments only sell during the holidays, but that is actually not true. Ornaments sell year round for different occasions. And this is a great product to start out with because there are limited variations. It's an easy product to design for. They are lightweight to ship. And this is a product that does incredibly well, especially during that peak season and the holidays, but does well all year round. All 3 of these products, the journals, the candles, and the ornaments, are available on Printify, which is my go-to print partner. And you can access all of these today for free, and I'll make sure to link that below for you. So if you are in that place in your Etsy shop where you are putting in the work and you are really trying to be consistent and doing all the things, but feel like things just aren't quite clicking yet, then I think you should absolutely consider selling these giftable type products in your Etsy print on demand shop. Sometimes it's not about working harder. Sometimes it's about shifting our focus and meeting customers where they are. Giftable products absolutely changed my shop, and they have changed the shops of so many of the students that I work with on a daily basis. So my recommendation to you is start with one of these 3 products that I shared today. Start with one person and moment in mind and get to listing for those Etsy buyers who are shopping every single day for gifts. And don't forget to post a comment below with your questions so I can answer them in an upcoming Coffee and Cha-Chings. And also let me know, are you selling any of these in your Etsy shop, or which one might you add? My name is Emily, and I'll see you next time.